All right. So, what are the best ways to make product videos for TikTok affiliates, right? There's a bunch of different ways, and I have a bunch of different tools here that I'm going to recommend to you here in a second. But I'm going to cover several different methods that you can do so with about 10 different examples of videos that I've actually created as well. So you can see some good examples of them, some bad examples of them, what to do, what not to do, and why. We're going to go through all examples of those videos, and I'm going to break them down of why they work. And you'll see different kind of strategies on how to actually make a video, right? So the first thing is to obviously just record B-roll of a product and then put a voiceover over top. It is stupidly easy to do that. You literally just take your phone in vertical format, you turn on a video, you record the actual product, and you showcase that product, what it looks like, its features, right? Show it in action. Now, one of the biggest issues with this is it's tough to do that with one hand. So I'm going to show you here in a second how you can just wear something that will cover it for you. It's one of the best tools, if not the best tool that I have had for creating videos like this for TikTok affiliates. It makes it so much easier. It keeps it so simple. But B-roll, then voiceover, don't overcomplicate it. It's still, to this day, probably my best way of recording videos, and I still do it all the time. The next thing that you can do is obviously just get on camera like this and talk about a product. So a perfect example of something that would work, and you're going to see a few of them here in a second, but a perfect example of one that would work is like when I'm talking about books, right? I recently did a video on Meditations by Marcus Aurelius when I realized that that was on TikTok Shop and I could promote it as an affiliate. And I didn't you're not going to showcase the book, although you could as like B-roll in there. But really all I did was talk about some of the lessons that I've learned from that book and some of the strategies that I've been able to apply to both business, but my life in general. And so I talked about it on camera while showing the book to stay within the affiliate terms of service, but also showcasing it and being like, hey, I read through this, it's highlighted as you can see, and I genuinely got value from this, right? So that's another way. But before we jump into some examples, let me show you some examples of products that I use every single day to record videos and make it so much easier. So the first thing is this thing right here is a viral product in it of itself on TikTok affiliates, and it is the auto face tracking tripod. I'm going to link all of these somewhere for you if you want to go ahead and grab them. They will be affiliate links, but realistically, I think I make, I don't know, like $1, if that, on these. So if you just want to just Google, I really don't care. So auto face tracking tripod, essentially what you do, you put your phone in here like so, and then you can set it pretty much anywhere, and it moves up and down, and it also tilts side to side. And then this thing, once you turn it on, will actually follow your face around. So you can move throughout the room, you could talk, and it will follow you around almost like it's somebody recording you. And so that's a really cool feature. This thing's cool. I use it quite often when I'm talking head video because I don't want to go through the process of recording it with a camera like this and then having to edit it or reformat it into software. So I'll just use my phone. Literally for TikTok affiliate videos, I use my phone. And I'll put my phone right in here. I'll talk, and then it gives me the ability to move and showcase a product while it still follows me around. And it just adds a little bit more ease, but also a little bit more production value to it. Another viral TikTok product is this. You could sell this as well. It's one of those that I have my case on my phone right now. Let me take it off because another product I will need to take it off for. But it just magnets to your phone, holds your phone up like that. And then this sticks to pretty much any surface. So not wood, but it will stick to the wall. It will stick to the desk right here. It will stick to a ton of different things. And then it just allows you to move it around. And so you can kind of put it on the wall next to you, record from any angle that you want. And it gives you a lot of versatility in that great product. And again, I will link this if you want to grab it as well. I use that. I don't use it as frequently because I use these other two more frequently, but it is a good product to have if, for example, you're showcasing a product in a weird angle or a weird room, or it's in a weird location. That thing solves a problem almost all the time because you can put it anywhere and realistically tilt your phone so that it's getting a good angle from almost anywhere. Valuable product. I would recommend all four of these without a doubt. This is my favorite product. If you get nothing else, get this. It comes in several different variations. I don't care if you get this one, although I like this one and it's stupidly affordable on Amazon. Again, I will link it. You just put it around your neck like so, and you magnet your phone to it like this. Obviously, you can tilt it down, so let me show you. And literally, you can just see that I'm wearing it And if I'm showcasing a product or if I'm moving around, again, it tilts all over the place, however you want. It allows my hands to be free so I can showcase the product that I'm using or record it and not worry about it. And that will obviously let me still have the video going stably, right? So it's not like I have to hold it with one hand and then also interact with the other hand. What it essentially does is it lets me record videos while I'm hands-free so I can showcase a product. Sounds simple, sounds stupid. Again, this is also another viral affiliate product. I actually got shown this a while back for Amazon Influencer Program, but you could sell this as well or any variation of this. But get this, it's a game changer. It's going to make your life so much easier. You will use it every single day. I promise you that. So that's product 3, my favorite. And this is product 4. Again, this comes in several variations. I will link this as well. You can get, I like this one the best. This is the best one I think I've seen. But again, several variations of this. It's just like a gooseneck phone holder. It comes with a little bottom thing where you can pretty much gooseneck it and tighten it around anything like a table or, anything realistically, a banner, a kitchen counter. And it bends, but it's firm. And then it tilts, but again, it's firm. And then you just put your phone in here and it holds it, right? So it allows you to get, again, different product angles while you're recording. So you can showcase different things. Obviously, you could set it up to record yourself from any angle, but you could also, what I typically do is I'll put it on a table. You can't see the table right below me, but I'll put it on the table like this. I'll tighten it up so it stays, and that will allow me to get like a downward angle on a table, put my phone there so I can just showcase a product over top of a table. That's how I had it set up. But again, tons of features for this. Just a gooseneck tripod, extremely valuable, right? So those 4 examples of products that I use every single day to record these videos. Love them all. Highly recommend that you get them all. But if you force me to pick, again, they're all valuable. This thing's a game changer. Get this thing that goes around your neck. It's going to make your life so much easier. The people who usually win in e-commerce aren't necessarily the smartest. They're just the fastest to identify opportunities and then capitalize on them, right? By the time that a product is all over your feed, there's a good chance that thousands of other people have already jumped on it and you're probably at the tail end of it. That's why I recommend using FastMoss, and I have for years now. It gives you access to real data on what's happening inside TikTok Shop so you can research products, track creators, monitor other shops, and see what's actually working instead of relying on guesswork and trial and error constantly. Now, one feature that I've been finding especially useful lately is the keyword and category trend tracking. It shows you which searches and product categories are heating up across different regions, making it so much easier to spot emerging trends before they actually peak. Now, the AI video ranking feature is another nice addition too, because you can quickly then study the highest performing videos in your niche and understand what kinds of hooks, what kind of formats, what kind of products are getting attention right now. And that obviously it's always been super useful and applicable in a number of different ways, but now because you need to kind of declare your vertical, especially on TikTok affiliates, it matters more than ever. So if you want to spend less time guessing and more time creating content around proven opportunities, I would definitely recommend taking a look at FastMoss. I will leave a link in the description below if you want to try it out completely free. So now let's get into the examples of the videos. These are not the best videos I've ever made by any means. They aren't even the most recent videos I've ever made. A lot of them are old and outdated. But when I was setting up this video, I wanted to show you some random real examples of videos that I've made for this in the past. And I don't have a lot. They were just like on this in the recycle bin of this computer. I haven't done many videos on this computer because generally speaking, I'll put them on my phone and then I'll send them to my VA to start editing. She'll send a bunch back to me and then I'll just upload them all at once. That's how we kind of operate. But if you're obviously doing them by yourself, you're just going to be editing them within the TikTok app. Stupidly easy as well. But to show you an example, here's an example of the protein I was talking about in a previous video.
There's 24 grams of protein in each serving in this, which is obviously awesome for building and maintaining your muscle. So if you're hitting the gym regularly, this is going to help you get those gains that you're working so hard to achieve. Now, what I love about this is obviously the 5.5 grams, hence the BCAA protein and getting.
And in this video, one of the examples that you're going to see, right? So this is just, this looks like I'm recording, the final product looks like I'm recording and talking at the same time. I'm not. All I did for this was I took my phone, put it all around my neck, and put it on the thing with that product right there. I showcased the protein, and then I just made a protein shake, again, while the camera was recording, right? Then afterwards, I put a voiceover over top of that, just of me speaking about the product. And it's super easy to do that because you can just have AI write one for you. So you could have ChatGPT send it the product listing on Amazon or on TikTok Shop or whatever, and be like, hey, write me a 30 to, I literally have the prompt actually. Let me find it. Trying to come up with a good video script for a TikTok Shop video. Can you write one that I can read for this product? And that doesn't always send the best one back. You have to iterate it a few times. But again, typically what I'll do is, what would be a 5-second intro hook for this that will keep people interested? Can you come out with 5 more? And then it will send me 5 of those short videos. So you can literally see AI will create these for you. I do this all the time. It's nothing special. All right. And then I'll put a voiceover over top. You can, again, once you have the product video, you can edit it in another software if you want, like Final Cut or Premiere Pro. Or the easiest way is just upload that B-roll of the product without a voiceover into TikTok, and then use the record on TikTok and just speak over it while you're reading the words. It's that simple. I do it all the time, even still. And that's how I made this video right here.
Your protein and hitting your macros, a lot of it is the quality of the protein that you're consuming as well. And this is the highest quality possible, hence the gold standard meal or whatever. It's extremely flexible as long as you're super busy. So believe it or not, like literally I'll do that half the time.
So that's not the best video. Again, I made these a long time ago, but you get the picture. Like that got sales, just like selling whey protein. Here's another example.
There's 24 grams of protein in each serving in this, which is obviously awesome for building and maintaining your muscle. So if you're hitting the gym regularly, this is going to help you get those gains that you're.
And you'll notice different voiceover, pretty much same B-roll, because again, we use the same B-roll. Now, again, I'll record 3 different B-rolls typically. Sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's more. But generally speaking, I'll record a few different videos. But this, you can see, I literally is the same B-roll as the one previously, but it's a different voiceover, hence a different video with less work. Okay.
You're working so hard to achieve. Now, what I love about this is obviously the 5.5 grams of natural BC.
So you get it. I'm just going through. Here's another example of a different one. So this one is of a golf cooler bag.
Cold beer hidden in your golf bag? Yeah, really. This golf bag cooler, designed to hold 6 cans or 2 bottles and keep them cold for hours, is a must for every golfer. It fits perfectly in the side of your bag, and it includes a custom ice pack that actually...
Now, again, same exact process here. This one actually did pretty well for me in the past. If not this one, another variation of this video did. Again, all I did here was I literally put this around my neck, put it vertical instead of like down, and I recorded the video showcasing the product without saying anything. Then I put the B-roll over it, or then I put the voiceover over it later, and that's how I made this video, okay? Now here's another example video of me.
Tired of your grip giving out?
Just showcasing me using lifting straps, because these were viral like a year ago, probably. Not anymore. They're oversaturated now. But all I'm doing is recording myself using lifting straps, and then I put a voiceover over it again.
Before your muscles do, let's fix that.
And I don't remember because it's been so long what I used, but I probably used the gooseneck phone holder to just record myself, and then recorded like videos of it and put a voiceover over it.
These
later.
lifting straps protect your wrists and keep your grip secure all at the same time. Whether it's deadlifts, pull-ups, rows, these straps help you lift heavier.
Now that was not the best one, but you get the picture. Here's another one.
All right.
So this, I think, actually is me, a video of me talking about an actual product and showcasing it. This was one that did very, very well for me. I made a ton of YouTube videos even about this product. It's like the Akabo water filter for water tables. So you can see it in the background right there. I'm going to talk about it here in a second. This was a viral product for me, did very, very well. But I think this video is me just talking about it.
So if you've got a water table like this, it's great for the hot summer days like it is right now, and it's perfect for kids because obviously they love playing in the water. But the issue is to do it on your own. What you do is put it on. Now we just boom, plug it in. Sides, because there's.
So the beginning stages of this video are me talking about it on camera, just because I know a lot about it and I believe in the product, so it was easy for me to do that. So you're seeing different variations of videos here and how I'm actually recording them. But then I go into just showcasing the product, so like B-roll of the product while I'm talking.
Now we just boom, plug it in, and now you hear it go on, and boom. Now the one side's kind of jetting out a little bit.
So simple. And that video might not have done well, but what I definitely did is I had recordings of the actual product, like falling with the water and talking voiceovers over top of that later. So that was a great product for me. I don't think this video did amazing for me where I'm talking to the camera, but another video variation, actually several of them, did do very well for me, and I sold a ton of that product. But again, that's oversaturated now, was a good product before. Another example of a good product before that's oversaturated now were these like coffee tops for Nespresso pods. So here's an example.
Why didn't Nespresso just make these reusable from the start? These silicone lids let you refill your Nespresso pods over and over.
It looks like I actually recorded this with either my camera or horizontally with my phone. I might have just been trying something different, but here you go.
Over and over again. They're secure, they don't leak, and they let you brew your own favorite coffee. It's so simple that it almost feels like a cheat code. Way less waste, way more savings, and it still tastes amazing with that.
So you get the picture here, right? Like a lot of people, when they're talking, TikTok affiliates, they're doing well, they're not going to show you their product videos, right? And at least for me, I would think like I'm missing something. Like these people are probably making high quality, amazing videos. I can't replicate that type of product video. Their videos up here, I'm making like these garbage videos. Like I want to be transparent with you. These, again, are not the most up-to-date videos, but the videos that I'm making now are not that far off of this. It's pretty much the same thing here. It's B-roll with a voiceover, or it's talking head about the product, or it's some form or fashion of that. So let me show you a few more examples here, but it's nothing special. You can make these videos. I guarantee you it is easier than you think. You got to get started though, all right? So a few more examples. Here's one of me actually showcasing a product because you couldn't really just like show, you'll see in a second what I mean, but it's like a lifting, it's for like bicep curls so that you can isolate your biceps, and just showcasing the product here didn't do it justice. So I kind of had to demonstrate it. You don't always have to do this. You're going to see a few different examples here. So with this product I'm going to show you next, I actually had to kind of showcase on camera. But for the other products that you'll see afterwards, it's just B-roll again. So keep that in mind when you're requesting free samples, because you're going to have to make the actual product videos. Keep that in mind when you're making product videos or hunting for products. There are some products that you can just record B-roll of and the audience gets the picture. And then there are some products like this where that's not necessarily going to fly, and you're not going to make any sales because people won't understand the product. So here's a perfect example of one that I had to showcase.
This thing took my bicep workouts to another level. This arm blaster forces perfect form, and you can feel the wasted energy. So it fits investments in. I can already tell.
So you get the picture, right? Like all I'm doing is showcasing how this works and lifting with it to show you how it works while I'm explaining why it works. And if you notice the nuance in that video, there's a voiceover over top of it, right? So I did an initial video where I was talking about it, and then I actually used that as B-roll lazily. I probably should have done it in a different way where I wasn't talking, but I did. And I actually did sell some of these as well, not a ton, but I put voiceovers over top of that to make, again, key lesson is that I made multiple variations, okay? I didn't stop at one, always make multiple variations. We covered that obviously in depth in another video, but it's a very valuable lesson. So here's two more examples. I'm gonna give you two more examples of other products and then we'll finish this out.
Ditch the boring mug. Here's something unique. This revolver coffee mug isn't just for show. The wooden handle makes it easy to grip, and the ceramic build keeps your coffee hot longer. Now, the rotating scroll wheel, it's fun and great for stress relief as yourself promise every morning.
So that was a product that actually did pretty well for me. Not crazy well, but I got a decent amount of sales on it. Here's another video variation, another key lesson again. Multiple video variations, same B-roll, just different voiceover.
Want a mug that's as bold as you are? This is it. The revolver handle makes it.
You can see it's even sped up to match the voiceover a little bit better. Very easy to do as well.
Statement, while the American flag design adds a patriotic touch. It's made from ceramic, so it keeps the coffee or your tea hot longer too. Plus that rotating beam, functional. Or hey, Father's Day's coming up too if you want to grab.
So nothing special. And last example here.
So if you have a Plano printer like me and you use it to print out your labels for shipping, then you're gonna need a holder like.
So again, this is just an example of product B-roll with a voiceover over top. And this is a product that I literally have right here underneath the desk, hence where I'm recording. And this is an example of a product that I noticed was on TikTok Shop, and I just tried to record a video of it. Got a few sales, not a ton. But that's another example of what we talked about, right? You can order from Amazon, you can request free samples, you can request refundable samples, or you can just look around your house for products that you already have. Perfect example of this. So that's several different ways that you can record videos, several different products. Again, link that I would recommend that you get. You don't need them, but they will make a recording so much easier. Hope it helps.